Hey, so your card form isn't working? Maybe it's not sending messages or submissions aren't showing up? Don't worry. This is a common issue. And in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Start by clicking on your form and checking the type. Make sure it's set to email or your desired integration like MailChimp or Zapier. If you're using the email option, make sure you've entered a valid email address where submissions will be sent. Check that all required fields are properly set. If a required field is missing or broken, the form won't submit. Make sure your form has a submit button and that it's correctly linked to the form. Without it, users can't send their data. If you're using integrations like MailChimp, Google Sheets, or Zapier, double check API keys and connections. A broken integration will stop submissions if your form is blocked or not submitting. Try enabling or disabling reCAPTCHA in the form settings depending on your setup. Click Preview and test your form by submitting it yourself. Check if you receive the message or if it appears in your connected service. Sometimes submissions go to your spam or junk folder. Check there if you're not seeing emails in your inbox. If everything looks correct but still doesn't work, click Publish again to apply all changes. Test your form on another browser or device. Sometimes extensions or browser issues can block submissions. If your form still isn't working, contact card support. Share your site link and form settings. They can quickly identify the problem. So yeah, that's how to fix a card form that's not working. Check your form type, email, fields, button, and integrations. Test everything, and your form should be working perfectly again.